inspection, 22nd of July 2020. This is a residence in Boca, showing the T-pile was done some surface repair. But you can see the whole repair is hollow and the entire side of the pile is cracking. Just cannot really call it a repair. Also, there's the panel right near it. There's a vertical crack going down the panel, indicating strong hydrostatic pressure because this seawall also has a considerable retaining wall floating on top of it. Concrete block here, and then that looks like it's poured concrete. This is an original T-pile wall with additional king piles and batter piles. And you can see the batter piles, the back of the batter piles has some breaks on them. There's 3 or 4 panels with this panel. Some attempts at grouting was done, and it looks like it's really penetrative. They also left the rusting in the panel. Same thing with this panel, same kind of deal. Some repairs were made, but they're already surfaced. This king pile has got 1, 2, 3 very long and continuous vertical cracks that are, there's also corrosion. You can also see the top of the pile and damages. This panel as well has 2 diagonal, horizontal and vertical cracks. This one you can see. So the panels are really stressed here. The seawall is good. It's well supported. It's not going to fall over, but the panels are showing that they're under a lot of load because of hydrostatic pressures here, because of the difference in the height between the actual waterway and the actual property. Here again, same thing. Some very rudimentary repairs were attempted, and then there's all the cracks are back in there. Doesn't look good, and probably is not really repaired. This is another panel. This is almost the last panel. Also, you can see the stucco marks on it. It's actually not in bad shape. The batter pile's back corner, missing piece, and also the king pile here has a crack going down. And here the hollow. Here there's some, I believe the guys who probably stuccoed all these vertical concrete piles came here and put some of their grout on it. They didn't really go and chisel anything or demo it. They just kind of stuccoed it over so you could see it, and it hides all the imperfection and cracks. And the cracks actually kind of returning. You can see right here, the crack is starting to return. So last panel also has quite significant damage. It's got like an X damage. The crack is going here. You can see the old whatever the grout coverage, and then right here as well. Right here, so it really looks like an X. Panel is under significant load. Cap is good. The batter piles, except for those areas that we show repaired, and then here is the show the repair of this. They use some kind of a stucco grout and a frame to give the corners. Something you use in home construction. I guess these pilings had probably blemishes, cracks, and whatever, and they found a creative way to address that. There's 3 bumpers on the pilings and 2 whips, 1 ladder, 1 functional jet ski float, and 1 not functional that is semi-sunk. This inspection was provided by SeaMeDive in beautiful Boca Raton, Florida. Thank you.